Welcome back to video number 2 of our Ultimate Excel Beginner course. In the last video, we learned about the interface. Today, I am going to show you how to enter data super fast and fix common formatting issues in just minutes. By the end of this video, you will be typing data like a professional. Let's jump right in. Let's start with typing. To type into a cell, simply click on it and start typing. For example, let's type the word name in cell A1. Now, if you want to move to the next column on the right, don't use your mouse. Just press the Tab key on your keyboard. Let's press Tab, and now we are in cell B1. Type age here. What if you want to move to the row below? Simply press the Enter key. Let's press Enter, and Excel moves the cursor down. Remember this rule. Use the Tab key to go right, and use the Enter key to go down. This will double your typing speed. Now, let's talk about fixing mistakes. If you click on a cell that already has text and start typing, Excel will completely overwrite and delete the old text. If you only want to change a small mistake without deleting everything, select the cell and press the F2 key on your keyboard. This opens up the cell, and now you can move your cursor inside to fix that specific mistake. Next, look at this common problem. Sometimes you type a long word, like a full name or email address, and it gets cut off or overflows into the next cell. You might also see a weird error that looks like multiple hashtag symbols. Don't panic. This just means your column is too narrow. To fix this instantly, move your mouse cursor to the top line between column A and column B. Your cursor will turn into a double-sided arrow. Now, simply double-click. Excel will automatically adjust the column width to perfectly fit your longest text. Finally, let's look at 3 life-saving keyboard shortcuts. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Press Ctrl+Z to undo your last action and go back. If you want to copy any data, select it and press Ctrl+C. Then click on a new cell and press Ctrl+V to paste it. These 3 shortcuts will save you. That is it! You have just mastered the basics of fast data entry and fixing column errors in minutes. Practice this a few times on your workbook. In the next video, we will look at how to make your data look beautiful and professional using colors and borders. Don't forget to download the practice file from the description. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. See you in video number 3.